Single magazine. Load ka muna, mag-load.
Parang hindi ako magkasya.
Ito. Come on.
Yes, sir.
I was gonna say, what y'all doing? We 70 minutes to
Three,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
4,
like I said, yeah, I literally just texted.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Done. It hasn't printed yet. I'm gonna go put it on.
Sa'yo yun, Jundel, yung itim?
Ah?
Ganda
Oh,
ng target
sa
mo.
kanya yan. Oh. Papasaway na naman si John Del. Pasaway ako, Dre.
Ayun, kita ko na yung...
Kita mo, you see it?
Kita ko na yung... Ano yan?
Okay, let me see. First shot.
Putsa, hindi nga makita siguro, Dre.
Hindi makita because
Malamang.
I'm sighting in my RI-ATM-22 shooting high and
Ayun, hindi ko makuha.
to the right. High to the right. Go.
Puta, bakit ang baba pag nakaano? Tangina, pre. Napaka-uncomfortable ko dito ah. Puta, paano nga to, pre?
Yeah. Okay, the safety is here. You need to push this tab right here. Yeah. There you go. It's ready to fire. It's ready to fire. Okay, just shoot every 2 seconds, okay? Just aim at the circle. You shoot?
I don't know. Oh, baby.
Don't hold the magazine. Put it on the bench. No, bench. There you go. Yeah.
No, it's not.
It's not firing?
No. Jason ah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Just finish them. There you go.
Upper left. Upper right. Ay, hindi na. Hindi na.
Yeah, just finish the mag. And we'll check
No.
later.
Upper right, upper right.
Your elbow is too high. Rest it. Yeah, there you go. That's why you're moving.
Oh, bullseye.
Oh, see? Just do the same thing. Do the same thing.
Lower left ng bullseye.
Do the same thing. Done. It's done. Nice.
Same
shot. My gun.
Back to back.
What can you say about my gun? So the reason you need the 22 For new shooters, for kids, for women, they will like it. And it's cheap to shoot.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
It's easy.
Yeah. Papalitan mo na, ma-replenish.
Ito eh, kaya nga sa
Mamaya pang in times of emergency, doon mo maano, hindi pala hindi gumana eh.
umamili na sa labas ah.
Takbo na yan, ha?
Okay.
Safety. So ito lang, tutulak mo lang to ha. Yan.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Makano na to?
Yeah, ready to yung safety lang ha.
Okay.
Safety.
Yun yung safety.
Pupush mo lang.
Okay.
Oh,
puchang gang nito.
subukan mo yung kamay mo dito mo sa table. Yan.
Ganito?
Yeah.
Okay,
Para hindi gano'ng magalaw.
Okay.
Safety. Push. Ready to go. Just aim it at the bullseye.
Kanan. Oh.
Nice.
Ayos.
Ayun, idagdagan nga yung pula.
Ha?
Alam ko na.
every time, like, I've been out everybody just has like, and then like halfway, and then so
Carter's dead?
Doon ko ba?
Ha?
Sa baba ko binabaril.
Oo nga no. Ayun no.
Ginugroup
Yung
ko.
groupings.
Oh yeah. I like it. Okay guys, range report ng Rock Island Armory TM22 by Deria Arms. So I don't know, nalilito pa rin ako no. TM22 may TM22 na metal eh. Ito polymer or plastic. Ayan nakalagay TM22. So, initially, na-frustrate ako kasi hindi ako makatama sa paper. Yun pala, akala ko din may problema tong X-Vision na red dot na ginawa ko ng review. It just so happened na talagang off the paper pala tumatama. So, nung nagzi-zero ko, binaril ko muna yung soil, yung lupa, para makita ko kung saan yung point of impact. And then from there, wala na, zeroed na siya. Tapos, yung bullseye nga, yung bullseye ng paper, nabutas ko na eh. So, it's fun to shoot. And then yung kaopisina ng kaibigan ko, no? First time niyang bumaril ng rifle, enjoy din siya rito, nagtatanong. Yung kaibigan ko nga tinatanong kung magkano daw bibili niya daw sa akin to. Sabi ko, wag na, ang dami online eh, pwede kang bumili. So, I don't know kung available na to sa Pilipinas, no? Dairy Arms, Rock Island Armory. So, Armscore ang nagki-carry nito. Tanungin nyo na lang. Okay? Accurate, ergonomic yung buttstock niya. It reminds me of a Magpul stock. Ang ayaw ko lang dito, wala siyang last round bolt hold open. Kaya nung pumasok ako sa gun range, sinita ko, dapat daw naka open bolt. Sabi ko, wala, ayaw mag-lock eh. So binigyan nila ako ng piece of wood, yung sipit, para isaksak dyan. Para pag nag-ceasefire, alam na na walang laman yung rifle. Pero other than that, this configuration, very lightweight. Oh, isa pa palang con, nakalimutan ko, Ang hirap maghanap ng magazine nito, Yung TM22 na metal, yung magazines nun, hindi nag-fit dito. Kasi, walang cutout na ganyan, Yan. So, kung may TM22 kayo na all metal, yung magazine, walang ganitong cutout. Kaya, hindi compatible. So, dapat ganito talaga. Or, puputulan o kikikilang ko yon, depende kung pwede. Pero ayan, for the price and for what it is, mas mura pa to sa Rossi RS22, pero mas maganda yung build quality niya, mas solid. Okay, and then reliable naman siya, hindi ako nagka-problema. Tapos may available na Picatinny sa taas. Tapos hindi ko alam kung natatanggal yung harap nito. Yeah, pwede. Anyway, yan. So, wala ding mounting para sa walang mounting hardware para sa sling. Napaka basic. Pero murang-mura siya and it's fun to shoot. So, ito yung Rock Island Armory TM22. Yan. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.